today I'm going to show you on how to insert table in a page. So this is the structure or the tab for inserting table. As you can see, within the table tab, there are other tags that are involved here, like the TR, this one, the table row, and then table data. Okay, let's first remove the other T. Okay, so again, TR is defining the table row, and then the TD is defining the table column. Okay, for instance, we are going inside the TD, we're going to write items. And then press save, and then let's try to check if we're able to. Okay, so the items there is shown in the page, so we're able to insert data in the table. To add column in the table, you just copy and paste the TD, and then just replace the text inside the column. Let's say we have the price, so let's save it and then view it and refresh. So we already have one row and two columns. The columns are items and the price. Now if you wanted to apply border in the table, you just insert an attribute in the table tab, border. And then the value is 1. So we already have borders, or we already applied borders in our table. Now let's try adding another column for the total. Just copy the TD tag and then replace the label or the text. So for instance, we have here total. Okay, then we will add another row in our table. So you just copy this highlighted structure. Okay, we will just copy and paste it. So take note that the first column is the items, the second column is the price, and the third column is the total. So you're going to replace the value here for the second row. For instance, the item is paper. And then the price is, let's say the price is 20. And then the total is also 20. Okay, let's try to save it and see what happened. So see, we already have 3 columns and 2 rows. So what we did is just simply copy and paste this structure here. This is the first row. You just copy and paste the structure and then replace the table data. Now let's try to add another row. So I just copy and paste it and remove the TD values or table data values. I added 2 rows, empty rows and empty column. So let us try to check the output of this. So as you can see, there are 2 empty rows. It's an empty row. So I want you to, at this point, I want you to show on how to merge these columns or these rows. Let's start with merging the rows, or merging the rows. Before we begin merging the cell, let us input first the third row with data like pencil 20 and 20. So let's try to check first. So this is now the content of the table, and the remaining row is empty. So we are going to merge these two rows somewhere here. So how are we going to do that? Let's try. So we're going to merge this one. So we're going to put, since we are merging the column, so our attribute is cross-span. And then the number of rows that you're going to merge. So let us try to check what will happen in our table. So as you can see, the two columns here in this area and in this row are already merged, but the other column is already it has been shifted at the right. So what are we going to do this? So what are we going to do with this? So we have to delete the excess table data here. We have to delete that one and then save it back and then refresh. So as you can see, there is no longer an excess column in the table. So we successfully merged the two columns in the third row. So what if we wanted to merge the row? That one is merging the columns, so cross-span. The other one is merging the rows. So let's try to add another one so that we could visualize clearly the results. So this is it. So there's another one, another row. So we are going to merge the last two rows. So what we're going to do here is in the last two rows, in the last two rows we're going to write row span. Take note, you're going to indicate or write the row span at the second to the last row. So meaning to say you are merging the last two rows. So this one is the number of rows that you're going to merge. So as you can see, we're able to merge the two rows. Now if you notice, although we're able to merge the last two rows, but in this particular column, but as you can see, there is already an excess column here in your table, so you have to remove one TD tag specifically in the last row. So we're going to remove that one, save it, and go back to browser and refresh. So as you can see, the last column has already been deleted. Now try to edit or make some changes on the row span and cross-span. You try to put this attribute somewhere here in the TD, and then you also try to put the row span somewhere here at this second or third TD and see what happened. Guys, there are more to explore about the table. So as I mentioned, you have to try to relocate the different attributes, cross-span and row span, and also the value of the border. You try to check what happened if the value here would be 2, what would happen if the value of the border would be 1, 0, or 3. So you try to just explore some of the attributes that can be applied in the table tag. That's all for today, and I hope inserting table is clear to you. And there are lots of references that you can refer to on the web, and also I've already inserted some of the resources for your references.